Gender dysphoria, I want to spend a minute on. It has its own chapter now. It's not with the sexual dysfunctions, and it shouldn't be. It's not the same thing. It's not on the same spectrum as the sexual dysfunctions. It's now called gender dysphoria rather than gender disorder, supposedly less pathologizing term. It's not considered to be a mental disorder per se to want to be the other gender. What's the problem is that you incur difficulties because of your desire to be the other gender or because of your presentation as the other gender. This is a really slippery area. If I don't like being Jewish and I'm unhappy and I incur criticism, stigma, discrimination because of it, I don't get called Jewish dysphoric. And so there's on one hand maybe the pathologizing of a particular condition. On the other hand, there's a very real need to get insurance coverage for treatment and surgery. And how do those two things come together? And if you're dysmorphic about other body parts or other types of things, how will that get handled? Is plastic surgery similar to wanting a change in identity? I think we would all argue that it isn't. But there's many, many value judgments inherent in here that this one remains in there. There is no such thing as a discrimination disorder. That is, I have something about me that incurs stigma, oppression, discrimination, and I'm really unhappy about that. There should be such a code that allows us to treat people who are experiencing various kinds of discrimination without stigmatizing the person. So there's a lot of different needs here that had to be balanced.